What is metabolism? It is a complex set of biochemical reactions that occur in living organisms to maintain life. Key metabolic pathways are essential for generating energy, building and breaking down molecules, and regulating cellular processes. In this video, we will introduce 3 essential metabolic pathways: glycolysis, the citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. 1. Glycolysis is the initial step in the breakdown of carbs into glucose to produce energy in the form of ATP. This pathway takes place in the cytoplasm of cells and involves a series of enzymatic reactions that convert glucose into pyruvate. Also known as anaerobic respiration, it does not require oxygen to produce energy. We will see glycolysis's connection to cancer later in this video. During glycolysis, ATP and NADH are produced, which are vital for cellular energy production. 2. Citric acid cycle, also known as the Krebs cycle, takes place in the mitochondria and is the second stage of glucose metabolism. In this pathway, acetyl-CoA is oxidized to produce ATP, NADH, and FADH2. The citric acid cycle is a central hub in metabolism, connecting with other pathways to generate energy and produce key molecules for cell function. 3. Oxidative phosphorylation is the final stage of cellular respiration and occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane. This process involves the transfer of electrons from NADH and FADH2 to oxygen, generating a proton gradient that drives ATP synthesis. You power this pathway by breathing in oxygen, especially during exercise. Oxidative phosphorylation is the most efficient way to produce ATP, providing the majority of the energy needed for cellular activities and life. The importance of glycolysis, citric acid cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. Understanding these key metabolic pathways is crucial for comprehending how cells generate energy, regulate metabolism, and maintain homeostasis. In next videos, we will delve deeper into each pathway to explore their regulation, significance, and impact on health and disease. Targeting metabolic pathways, a way to treat chronic diseases? Targeting metabolic pathways has emerged as a promising approach for the treatment of various diseases, including metabolic disorders, cancer, and other conditions. Metabolism plays a crucial role in the functioning of cells and tissues, and dysregulation of metabolic pathways can lead to various diseases. In the context of metabolic disorders such as diabetes, targeting specific metabolic pathways can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. For example, drugs that target the AMP-activated protein kinase (AMPK) pathway can enhance glucose uptake and utilization, thus improving metabolic parameters in diabetic individuals. In cancer, targeting metabolic pathways has gained attention due to the unique metabolic profile of cancer cells. Cancer cells often exhibit increased glucose uptake and reliance on glycolysis for energy production, a phenomenon known as the Warburg effect. By targeting key enzymes involved in glycolysis or other metabolic pathways, researchers are exploring novel therapeutic approaches to selectively kill cancer cells while sparing normal cells. Potential treatments for various chronic diseases. Targeting metabolic pathways can also be beneficial in the treatment of other diseases such as neurodegenerative disorders, cardiovascular diseases, and inflammatory conditions, and possibility even dementia. For example, modulating the metabolism of lipids or amino acids can have a profound impact on the progression of these diseases. In summary, targeting metabolic pathways represents a promising strategy for the treatment of a wide range of diseases. By understanding the unique metabolic characteristics of diseased cells and tissues, researchers can develop targeted therapies, exploit these vulnerabilities, and restore metabolic homeostasis, leading to improved outcomes for patients. Next, see our next lesson videos on cell metabolism and aging.